And the race is on a rose from the outside, Saint Dipat in between runners Super Prize, alongside Sting Tank Angel Dugo on your knees, and running by the release Keyboy, My Ray and Pareng. Hilton is the early trailer. Tin Tank by a length and a half on a row. Super Prize Keyboy is running by the Saint Dipat, and on the outside, Angel Dugo. On your knees, third last, second last, Myre and Paring Hilton is still running at the tail. The Pilting Tanky Boy and Super Prize getting closer in third. And on the outside, rising up is Angel Dugo. On a rose, driving back in fifth. As they race the last 500, Key Boy, Ting Tang, Super Prize, Angel Dugo on the further outside, on a rose. As they race the last 250, Keyboy, Ting Tang, Super Cliche, Angel Dugo on a rose. And nearing the finish line, Ting Tang still the leader. Super Cliche is on the outside, Angel Dugo. And finally it's going to be Ting Tang, Super Cliche, Angel Dugo, Keyboy.